Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad questions. There are 3 questions in this video. The first question is the number of people in the hall is twice the number of people in the canteen. 3 by 4th of the people in the hall were boys and 3 by 5th of the people in the canteen were girls. If there were 6 more girls in the canteen than in the hall, find the number of people in the hall. Read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let the number of people in the canteen be x because we don't know the number. Number of people in the hall equals to 2x. Number of boys in the hall equals to 3 by 4 multiplied by 2x. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 3 by 2x. Number of girls in the hall equals to 2x minus 3 by 2 of x. 4x minus 3x by 2 equals to 1 by 2 of x. Number of girls in the canteen 3 by 5 of x. Given that there were 6 more girls in the canteen than in the hall, 3 by 5 of x minus 1 by 2 of x equals to 6. LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. 6x minus 5x equals by 10 equals to 6. X equals to 10 multiplied by 6. X equals to 60. Now that we know x, we can find the number of people in the hall. Number of people in the hall equals to 2x. 2 multiplied by 60 equals to 120. To make sure you grasp the concept, let's run through the entire solution one last time. Take a look at the full video to see step-by-step process. The second question is the sum of two numbers a and b is 1525. If the value of a is 4 times the value of b, find the value of a. Read the question carefully and understand it. We have to find the value of a. Let's see how to solve this problem. In the question they given a plus b equals to 1525. This is equation 1. A equals to 4b. Substitute the equation 1. 4b plus b equals to 1525. 5b equals to 1525. B equals to 1525 divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 305 ja 1525. So b equals to 305. Now find the value a. A equals to 4b. 4 multiplied by b value 305. 4 multiplied by 305. A equals to 1220. So the value of a is 1220. The third question is find the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and so on 98 plus 99 plus 100. Let's see how to solve this problem. First we have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 equals to 55. Next you have to add 11 to 20. 11 plus 12 plus up to 19 plus 20 equals to 55 plus 10 multiplied by 10 equals to 55 plus 100. 21 plus 22 plus 29 plus 30 equals to 55 plus 20 multiplied by 10. 55 plus 200. 31 plus 32 plus 33 plus 34 up to so on. 39 plus 40 equals to 55 plus 30 multiplied by 10 equals to 55 plus 300. So the sum equals to 55 multiplied by 10 plus 100 plus 200 plus 300 plus 400 plus 500 plus 600 plus 700 plus 800 plus 900. 55 multiplied by 10 is 550 plus 4500. 5050. This is the answer. If you have any doubts regarding these problems, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel for more videos.